Children are amazing, cherish them, believable, trust them, childlike, let them, divine, respect them. Energetic, nourish them, fallible, embrace them, gifts, unwrap them, here now, be with them. Innocent, delight in them, joyful, appreciate them, kind-hearted, join them, lovable, love them. Magical, fly with them, noble, esteem them, open-minded, hear them, precious, treasure them. Questioners, encourage them, resourceful, support them, spontaneous, enjoy them, talented, believe in them. Unique, affirm them, vulnerable, protect them, whole, recognize them, extra special, celebrate them. Yearning, notice them, zany, laugh with them.